So something you may or may not know about me is that my husband and I and my father-in-law are beekeepers, and unfortunately none of our hives survived the entire winter. We have replacement hives that came today and we're going to be putting them in. Originally started beekeeping, we started with 4 hives and we have had great success ever since. We ended the 2024 season with 9 hives and unfortunately none of them made it over the winter. It was honestly such a surprise to hear that all 9 of our hives passed away over the winter, but with beekeeping it just tends to happen, and here we are, so we're gonna go put them in. Take out 2?
What?
They have a cute